The Honda G150 Cargo is a reliable and versatile engine that stands out as a trusted solution for various cargo and utility applications. Known for its durability and efficiency, this engine is widely recognized for delivering consistent performance in demanding conditions. With a robust design and Honda's renowned engineering expertise, the G150 Cargo caters to industries requiring dependable power for small machinery and transportation tasks. This engine features a 4-stroke, air-cooled single-cylinder design that ensures optimal fuel efficiency while maintaining low emissions. The 163cc displacement provides enough power to handle heavy-duty tasks, making it a popular choice among professionals in agriculture, construction, and other sectors. Its straightforward yet efficient design emphasizes ease of use and maintenance, a hallmark of Honda's commitment to reliability. One of the key highlights of the Honda G150 Cargo is its fuel efficiency. It has been engineered to maximize output while consuming minimal fuel, making it an economical choice for prolonged operations. Additionally, its noise and vibration levels are significantly reduced, ensuring a smoother experience for operators. This characteristic is particularly valuable in industries where long operating hours are the norm. Durability is another standout feature of the G150 Cargo. Its rugged construction and high-quality materials make it resistant to wear and tear, even under challenging conditions. Whether exposed to dust, heat, or heavy loads, this engine is built to withstand the test of time. This reliability reduces downtime and maintenance costs, providing users with peace of mind. The Honda G150 Cargo also integrates safety features to ensure secure operation. The design minimizes the risk of overheating and includes robust components that enhance overall stability. Its compatibility with a wide range of machinery further highlights its adaptability. Whether used in water pumps, small vehicles, or agricultural equipment, this engine performs consistently across applications. Another reason for its popularity is the availability of genuine parts and Honda's extensive service network. These factors contribute to the engine's longevity and ensure that users can maintain peak performance over its lifespan. Its lightweight yet powerful design makes it easy to transport and install, adding to its practical appeal. In summary, the Honda G150 Cargo is a testament to Honda's engineering excellence, offering a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and durability. It remains a top choice for professionals seeking a dependable solution for their cargo and utility needs, solidifying its reputation as a reliable workhorse.